It's September 8th, and today we commemorate International Literacy Day. The UNESCO started this observance in 1967. They hope to remind policymakers, educators, and the general public of the importance of literacy for creating an equitable society. Literacy is a fundamental human right. It is also a pre-learning skill that we need if we want to acquire broader knowledge. It is the responsibility of not only the government and educators to promote literacy in school, but also parents at home. I learned how to read at home. I had 2 older siblings and I had the privilege of access to books, even at a young age. Mama would buy comic books on Philippine folklore and history from National Bookstore, and Papa would buy encyclopedias and Reader's Digest. I remember hating my textbooks that did not have pictures, but when I entered high school, a switch was flipped somehow, and my brain began visualizing what I was reading so much better than what illustrators can come up with. At this time, I began to read for fun. I still do it today. In the Philippines, we measure literacy of learners using the Functional Literacy Education and Mass Media Survey, or FLEMS, F-L-E-M-M-S. Yes, sounds like maraming plema. This is a national survey that gathers information on the basic and functional literacy and the educational skills qualification of the population. The FLEMS framework and results are published and made widely accessible. However, according to the Second Congressional Commission on Education, in the 2024 EDCOM report, the results of FLEMS are not used by DepEd for planning curricular interventions. DepEd has a lot of work to do there. While the government takes on this complicated task, it is important for the private sector and families to do what we can for children in our homes, in our families, and in our communities. Parents have the primary responsibility to make sure their children can read. Plus points if they enjoy reading. And that's the whole point. We should teach reading and make it enjoyable. Efren Peña Florida, a teacher and development worker, started the concept of the Kariton classroom. He would bring learning materials to indigent communities to supplement gaps in the children's literacy skills. He was named CNN's Hero of the Year in 2009. Shireen C., an architect, first established a book nook in a mall where anyone can read or contribute books. More book nooks are popping up in SM malls to provide accessible books to those who do not want or cannot buy them. Yesterday, I had this meeting in Makati, and I saw this street library along Rada Street run by the Union Church of Manila. Chill lang yung rules. Take a book, leave a book. It was also painted this bright blue color, referencing Doctor Who's TARDIS. I love that idea. Literacy, after all, opens the door to enjoyment and knowledge, lifting us to places, times, and dimensions away from the here and now. Masaya magbasa. O, diba?
Meow meow.